Okay, welcome viewers. This question and answer program on chapter 1 of financial management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Financial management primarily concerns dash. A. Management of funds. B. Marketing decisions. C. Legal procedures. D. Human resource. The answer for this question is A. Management of funds. Question number 2. Which of the following is a traditional function of finance? A. Portfolio selection. B. Capital recruitment. C. Risk measurement. D. Wealth creation. The answer for this question is B. Capital recruitment. Question number 3. A public finance deals with dash. A. Corporate budgets. B. Personal income. C. Government expenditure. D. Non-profit investment. The answer for this question is C. Government expenditure. Question number 4. The traditional phase of financial management emphasizes dash. A. Working capital control. B. Institutional financing. C. Capital raising. D. Shareholder value. The answer for this question is C. Capital raising. Question number 5. The modern approach of financial management focuses on dash. A. Wealth maximization. B. Cost reduction. C. Sales increase. D. Accounting profit. The answer for this question is A. Wealth maximization. Question number 6. Which goal is broader than profit maximization? A. Revenue maximization. B. Wealth maximization. C. Expense minimization. D. Dividend maximization. The answer for this question is B. Wealth maximization. Question number 7. Issuing shares to raise long-term fund is a dash. A. Dividend decision. B. Pricing decision. C. Investment decision. D. Financing decision. The answer for this question is D. Financing decision. Question number 8. Using retained earnings instead of borrowing indicates dash. A. External financing. B. Venture funding. C. Short-term loaning. D. Internal financing. The answer for this question is D. Internal financing. Question number 9. Managing current assets and liability refers to dash. A. Capital budgeting. B. Working capital management. C. Dividend policy. D. Capital structure. The answer for this question is B. Working capital management. Question number 10. Profit maximization is limited because it dash. A. Considers risk. B. Measures wealth. C. Considers value. D. Ignore time value. The answer for this question is D. Ignores time value. Question number 11. The transitional phase of financial forecast mainly on dash. A. Internal fund flow. B. Working capital management. C. Capital budgeting. D. Financial planning. The answer for this question is B. Working capital management. Question number 12. All financial decisions are interrelated because dash. A. Each affect others. B. They are independent. C. They are random. D. They are external. The answer for this question is A. Each affects others. Question number 13. Designing an Optimal capital structure involves dash: A. Balancing debt and equity. B. Reducing cost of labor. C. Expanding inventory. D. Increasing production. The answer for this question is A. Balancing debt and equity. Question number 14. A firm creating new investment plans is making a dash: A. Dividend decision. B. Investment decision. C. Financing decision. D. Leasing decision. The answer for this question is B. Investment decision. Question number 15. Selecting between alternative projects is a part of dash: A. Capital budgeting. B. Financial planning. D. Dividend payout. D. Risk management. The answer for this question is A. Capital budgeting. Question number 16. Wealth maximization is superior because it dash: A. Consider time and risk. B. Ignore capital market. C. Reduces shareholders' wealth. D. Ignores uncertainty. The answer for this is A. Considers time and risk. Question number 17. A good finance manager aims to dash: A. Minimize cost of capital. B. Maximize firm's value. C. Increase production. D. Expand workforce. The answer for this question is B. Maximize firm's value. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a function of finance? A. Advertising. B. Financing. C. Investing. D. Dividend policy. The answer for this question is A. Advertising. Question number 19. Investment decisions deals with dash: A. Allocation of capital. B. Distribution of profit. C. Raising of funds. D. Accounting control. The answer for this question is A. Allocation of resource. Question number 20. An effective dividend policy should dash: A. Balance retention and payout. B. Ignore market reaction. C. Favor debt holders. D. Reduce firm's value. The answer is A. Balance retention and payout. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you viewers for attending this program.